guys, I'm Jenny with Center Petals. Today we're going to talk about the top 3 mistakes when buying grocery store flowers. Mistake number 3, making bad and ugly color combos. It can be hard deciding what colors go best together, but there are 3 easy color combos that won't steer you wrong. The first one being one color many ways. So have one color in many different shades, like different shades of white. Keep it in the family. This refers to colors that are next to each other on the color wheel, like this. So this would be blues and purples together, or reds and pinks. Last good color combo, opposites attract, meaning contrasting colors, like red and green or yellow and purple. When in doubt, check the pre-made bouquets that most grocery stores have. These will show you good color combos and color combos that are in season. Now for mistake number 2, when buying grocery store flowers, not checking the date. Just like all other perishable items in the grocery store, flowers have a best by date on them. The dates are usually around the barcode tag like this. Note that this date does not mean that the flowers will die on that day. Rather, they're usually good for 3 to 5 days after this date, depending on the quality of the flowers. But just like you're buying bread, you want to get the furthest date out to help prolong the freshness of your flowers. And speaking of quality, that leads to mistake number 1, not checking the overall quality of the flowers. This might be an obvious thing. Even if the date of the flowers are good and the colors are right, take a minute to check the quality of the flowers inside the wrapper. Do this by peeking inside the wrapper or pulling it down to make sure that the flowers' stems look nice and healthy. They should be green and fresh looking and not have mold or gross goopy mess looking, and overall alive. Here's an example of flowers that look great on the outside, but inside the wrappers they're gross. You don't want to be disappointed when you get home. Ask me how I know. Here's a quick recap of the top 3 mistakes when buying grocery store flowers. Number 3, making bad and ugly color combos. Number 2, not checking the freshness date. And number 1, not checking the overall quality of the flowers. If you found this info helpful, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button below. That really helps me out. And if you need help making centerpieces, make sure you check out my free 8-step beginner's guide to pro centerpieces. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!